start the recording, and yeah, happy Sunday, y'all. We're doing some game development, though not the usual type of stuff. Although, to be fair, I've done a little bit of this stuff on stream as well. Tonight, we're gonna be modeling... just modeling for the game. So we'll build a couple of things that we will need. I'm gonna start off easy. I know in Discord I said I wanted to make a player model, and I think we'll get to that before we're done tonight, but let's warm ourselves up with something simple. I'm gonna make like a hedge, or like just a bit of shrubbery, which is mostly going to be a square, but we're gonna round off the corner so it can have some shape to it. What's the subdivide? Is it not called subdivide or something? Kinda looks like it's not called that, or it's just not on this page, which would be really annoying. Okay. Whatever, man. That's fine. This is all fine. Okay. This is our starting point. I don't need points between these two. Oops. Subdivide. So there's just no button for that. That should be good. Rinse and repeat on this side. And then what we're going to want to do is... basically, I think I can do this. So, shoot. I closed my... okay, G is what I'm looking for. G for grab. That'll move these points. Perfect. But then we're going to just type Y. And then... 0.25. Wrong axis. I actually want Z. I forgot. I forgot the coordinate system in this is different. G, Z, 0.5. Or... I guess it's already at 1, so we want negative 0.5. G, Z, negative 0.5. Perfect. I don't know if that's too rounded. You know, to be fair, I guess we don't really need these spots either. We could merge these back together, I think. It's not bevel. What do I do with this? Merge, yeah. At center. Nope. Alright, we can merge two of these. Merge at left is what we want to do. At first. Simple enough. Okay. Okay. You know what? I'm actually not feeling great about how low those go. I want a subtler curve to them. So we'll maybe bump those up a little bit. So G, Z, and maybe we'll do like 0.25 instead of... Oh, it's relative. Okay, well then I can just do positive 0.25. It did nothing. What? G, Z... 1. Okay. Oh wait, no, it did move them. I think? Maybe? Maybe not? Alright, that's probably too far. Lastly, I'm wondering if I should leave it like this, or if this should be I'm thinking in terms of tiling, like how we'd want to do this. me get some sample texture so we can, like, toss this on here. Damn, I was hoping that would work. No worries, we can just do this instead. I don't think I need to be in object mode, I just need to go here, go to material, base color, set that to an image texture, open our image texture, open the wrong folder, as usual. Give me 1 second here. Just want to make sure I don't accidentally open the wrong folder. Once I get the right folder open, it should be okay. If I can navigate my own PC. No, not... Wait. There we go. Alright, we're back. If I can find... The fuck? There we go. I, like, couldn't find it in my scene source. Anyway, hedge ivy. Oh, wait, was this, oh, crap. No! CC by! Damn it! Alright, here we go again. CC 0, perfect. It's alright, you guys never saw the image, you can't prove nothing. Not that... That's not how that works anyway, but... whatever. Oh, right. Why? Why do you keep opening this? Remember the folder, my man. I don't really have anything to worry about this time, but still. It's not like I deleted the texture, it just unset it. And then we need to go to textured view. Perfect. I'm gonna need to open the UV editing. Why is this empty? You know? Like, that doesn't make sense. Oh! Oh, crap! I forgot about sculpting mode. Alright, undo whatever I just did. Like... God. Okay, so it is just, like, not textured over here. To, like, select face, right? No. It's like, I don't want to, like, mess with this. I want to... Well, this is why we started with something simple. You know? I think if I, like, press A, that works. Perfect. Okay. Cool. Then I want to scale this. S does not work for scale. That's fine. Oh, that's why it didn't work for scale. Like I don't exactly know what I'm supposed to be doing here, but that's okay. So I suppose, that looks alright for, like, the sides, but what is up with this tearing here? Oh, I think I get it now. Hold on. How do I fix this? I think essentially I want to move, like, these guys so they're not... Or so they're not square. We want them to be, shoot. So G, right? Okay, G... G, X... Was it 0.25 is, nope, that's too much. GX 0.025? That's not enough. So might as well do both of them at once. I guess I can just, like, eyeball it, right? Right. There's also numbers at the top that I can look at. So I'm guessing it's 0.015. Or not 0.015, 0.15. So that's where things seem to be good, and the reason I was checking the numbers exactly is because I now need to do it on this side. And we can just use the same value. Or so I thought. What the heck? What's the... There, that'll work. Why do I not have the same shape? Am I not seeing something here? How come this side gets all the points, but that one doesn't? Yeah. Oh, no, they are here. Okay. GX 0.125. Beautiful. Perfection. Now here's the interesting thing, and I want to import this into Godot really quick to see whether this will be a problem or not. Also, you guys I need to fix. Might be a scale issue. Or no, I think it's the opposite problem where I need to, like, bend it inward to, yeah. It's a multi-part problem, it would appear. Okay, shoot. So there's a bunch of vertices here. Does it show me when I click on this which one it is over there? It does not. Okay. Now the music got quiet. I think what I want to do is, like, center these two. Yeah, that does seem to help a bit. It won't wrap properly with this, but I think that's okay? Not sure. I also don't know, like, what value I need to set this to. Okay, does this tell me coordinates anywhere of this guy? Hmm. So move it to 0.1 even. It's not centered. Or maybe it is. GY 0.1. And then you guys would go down by -1. GY negative 0.1. Nope, that did not do the trick. Okay. I'm also thinking that, like, maybe this needs to go up more. Yeah, I think that is probably the issue. GY 0.75. What? GY 0.75. No, oh, 0.075. Much better. Okay, so those two are lined up, and then this guy needs to go down probably by 0.75, so GY negative 0.075. Hey, I know how to do things. Hooray! Cool. I'm going to preemptively do this. Black my screen out. See, now it chooses the right folder. What the heck, man? There. Alright. Well, almost the right folder. Whatever. Edge. I was gonna mess with other stuff, but I forgot. Oh well, I guess this is our hedge now. I'm actually really interested to see what happens when I import this in Godot. Because something got wacky with our fence that we made last week. And I'm hoping that that does not happen again, but we're about to find out. Man, the sound balancing, this is just one, it's not even like a playlist, it's one static video of all these songs together. Did not bother to make sure things were even. Bah. Toss of Doom 2. Oh wait, why am I even... Like, it'll put it there in the folder when I drag it in. Models, tiles. Hedge.glb. Hold on. I'm gonna rename it. Lowercase hedge. Cool. And then... If I look at this, is it textured? It's textured! Wahoo! Also very glossy, that's not right. Oh, it also has invalid things in there, because I don't need... Don't want the camera, I don't want the light. Let me re-export that just to... Just to be safe. And then, yeah, import that again. Don't know if it did that or not, but whatever. Oh, in the import settings, I can screw with the material, right? I mean, I suppose that's fine. Okay, I can put this in here and it should work. Doesn't have a collision box or anything, but that's okay. I'm hiding in the hedges. Cool. The moment of truth. Let's test this out. I forgot about all this stuff. Okay, so now we have... You know what, I'm just gonna get rid of this thing. Why did I make... Oh, okay, I want to make a similar type thing for that. So we want a hedge scene. And that's gonna be a 3D scene. Actually, you know what? Hold on. I guess this does create like a root item when you right-click and tell it like create a derived scene or whatever. Can I rename this, or is that like not allowed? Yeah. We want to name that because Godot... I mean, you can name it yourself in the tile set, but like, every time I re-import, I'm gonna have to rename it, and if I have that for like every single object, that's gonna get really annoying. So we're just gonna name it, you know? Simple as that. Exported. Now we import over here. And boom. Nope, don't save this. Actually, wait, yes, do save this. Models, tiles, hedge scene. Cool. What do did I do it under the thing? I can't remember now. It did, okay. So we need a collision shape. And then that needs a, Wait, no, I had it backwards. I need the static body 3D and then put the collision shape under that. And to be fair, I could just add it and that's fine. Static body 3D. Collision. Collision shape. New shape. We'll just make it a box, because it's for all intents and purposes, you know? Okay, now what frickin' thing? Collision. No, yeah, you're good. Right, this is the size you need to change, otherwise it will yell at you. And this is where I may need to change... Yeah, this is... I don't exactly know why... The default cube in this is like 222. Hey, what's up, W2 Speedy? How you doing? Now I need to find my tiles scene. Not sure where that is. I'm just gonna search for it. Right. So now we take our hedge scene that we made. What engine am I using? This is Godot. Specifically Godot 4.2. I think 4... Actually, what is it up to now? Dang it. That's not what I wanted. Oh, it's up to 4.22. But I think you can probably opt in for experimental versions, but I like to stay on something at least relatively stable. I'm skipping over this song. Oh yeah, that thing's huge. Alright, I might need to scale that down, which is fine. That won't be hard to do. Regardless, that shouldn't mess with our... I keep forgetting the name of this thing. It's like our tile set. Our 3D equivalent of a tile set. GridMap? Not sure. Let's see if I can track that down. Shoot. Oh, you know what? I can go in my scene and just grab it from there. Use a WebGL. Cool. Yeah, that sounds sounds like quite a lot of effort. Which, you know, it's reasons to go that route sometimes. For sure. I have used many engines over the years, including just direct OpenGL calls in C++ back when I was in college. I've got a lot more Unity experience out of anything these days, but I don't know. It's nice to try other tools and see what's available and stuff like that. No, definitely, yeah. Using like something low level like that, or like not low level, but more direct, like will definitely get your head around like why these things work the way they do. It's a good way to like cut your teeth on like core game development like principles and better interactions with pardon me, with game engines when you decide to use the, or if you decide to use them later. Okay, import from scene, ignore transforms. Oh yeah, last time I did this it screwed up all my collision boxes, so let's hope that doesn't happen this time. Scenes. No, it's not under scenes, it's under like tiles or something. Ugh. I need to figure out what this is. Okay, prefabs, scenery. Oh, they're both in the same directory, I see. I've completely forgotten how my folder structure is in this, which is not good. Okay, so now it shows up as an option, which is cool. That's what we like to see. It's not lined up properly because it's too big, but that's a different problem altogether. But what I really want to know is if I put some of these down, will they actually show up? Because there's a really, really fun thing with grid maps and Godot, where if you don't... There's certain features you're not allowed to use while building your model, and if you use them, your object is not going to show up in the grid map. Hey, they work! Huzzah! Yeah, that only took 30 minutes, like on the dot. Weird. Better see you whenever I can see the vertices. Gotcha, gotcha. That's cool. This feels wrong as far as, like, size of things go. Actually, scale-wise, this looks about right. It's just the, It's just everything else. Oh, I can't actually reach the camera change, so I can't see it from another angle. If I go back there, I probably can. This guy doesn't eat me. Come on. Oh, he probably can't fit. You know, it's very weird that... So he's chasing me right now. It's weird that the node... I didn't rebuild the layout. Okay, I was gonna say, it's weird that he doesn't go around because he's too, like... Something weird is going on with that, like, third hedge. That's kind of funny. The nav mesh, I didn't rebuild that, so he thinks he can go through that, but the game is stopping him. Oh, I know what's wrong. I built them too close to each other, because, like, the size of this is not the size of, like, the grid snap, so I have to, like, space out twice. I just built 2 in a row by accident. Anyway. Well, that's good news that this works. How do you have the camera from a... perspective, 3D perspective. So what I do is I have these little invisible triggers that they each have like a standard script applied to them. And wait, that's not what I'm looking for. And anytime something enters their hitbox, it checks if that something was the player, and if it was, it will swap the camera. So we tell it like another position, which is just basically a set of coordinates here, and we move the camera to those coordinates. It also has a vector for rotation, so like it can tell the camera which way to point. It's actually pretty simple script-wise. It's literally just like Oh. Well, this is just some safety checks here, but, like, on the event of something entered this space, was it the player? And this is, like, checking, like, a list of tags for, like, what the thing that... for the object that collided with it. And then just... we give it a copy of the camera so it can just manipulate the camera directly in here. Use that for rotation of my 3D rendering? Nice. I'm trying to decide if I want to make those hedges smaller or not. I feel like they're maybe okay, but they might not be. The thing I'm a little worried about is the verticality of them. Like, maybe I'm not seeing this correctly. I need to, like, turn off the debug stuff. Like, this isn't touching the floor, right? Yeah, it's hovering a little bit. But if I made that half the size, I'm not sure that that would fix the problem. If I go down a layer... wait, I went up a layer by accident. Yeah, now that's inside of the floor. But is it just because the floor is on, like, the half tile? Like, if I move the floor down 2, would that be flush with the hedge? I can't tell. Hold on. No, it's still off. So I don't think it's even a scale issue. I think it's, I need to move my model in general, which is weird because it's... I just put it at 0, 0. Oh, wait, no. The center is at 0, 0, 0. I need to move it up by the size of it. Or, like, half the size of it. Okay. We'll do that. I think this is actually the appropriate size for, like, what I'd want for a prefab like this. We just need to adjust the Y coordinates. Or wait, no, the Z coordinates, because that's in Blender space. Yeah, so this... I think, let me open my other models just to check, because that wood paneling that's not even a model, that's just like a cube I put together, but there is a staircase thing, which is also rotated the wrong way for some reason. I don't know how that happened. Which, actually, wait, I need to double check back in Godot. I'm all over the place right now. Open up my tiles. So we have stairs redo. Okay. So that would probably be the file called stairsredo.blend, hopefully. Oh, and this goes back to, like... and this is something from my last stream, but the way we set this up, like... so... I made a model for... oh yeah, it was for a fence last time. And, you know, I'll open that too, because why not? If I can find it. There it is. I got too many files in here. I downloaded a ton of third-party things last time. So this fence is fine. It looks... well, I mean, it doesn't look amazing, but, you know, it works. But the problem with it is... I used multiple textures... for the different surfaces, so I have like one for the pole and then one for the fence. And for some reason, that's one of the things you can't use while making use of Godot's tile map, or not tile, GridMap, that's what it's called. So because of that, if I try to use this in that like tile map scene, it will just full on... it shows up just fine in editor, but when you run the game, it just disappears and acts like it's not there. Which is very strange. But from my perspective, that's fine. I can add those in manually. Because I can still place them manually in scene, I just can't have them be part of, like, this tile map that I'm using to... grid map. There we go. Yeah, so if I were because it will let me import it and add it to this list, but when I start placing it, it will look just fine, but then when I run it, it's just not there. And I believe that's because I used 2 separate materials or textures instead of, like, this example. I'm not really sure why this is like a normal map that I'm looking at here, but yeah. I composed the texture between all of this and then applied it per surface as needed. And this one does work. Oh, I think I can cut down polys on this, because I can merge this into a cube. Doesn't save me like a ton of space. And then I would also need... Oh, actually that might not be possible because I would need to, I wouldn't be able to like stretch out the UV map because it would get part of the carpet texture in there. It's frustrating, but whatever. Not even currently using that stair model anyway, so who cares? Okay, back to this guy. Let's pull open hedge. And, oh, actually, shoot. No, I wanted the staircase that I had opened. This is the weirdest playlist of SNES music. It's like 99% like super basic Mario stuff. I don't know. I guess it's fine. Yeah, I guess I just played a lot of Mario, and thus it's like weird to me. Oh, you know what? I think these these steps aren't aligned either. Maybe it's really an issue with that block more than anything else. Yeah, this is also like hovering halfway off of everything. But if I go back in here, you can see that, yeah, it's centered at like 0, 0, 0. Ah, it's frustrating. Well... I'm wondering if I could, like, offset the cube, because, honestly, centering everything on, like, having the center of that object be the origin point, I think that makes sense, right? Or does it? Because if it's like too big or whatever, yeah, I don't know. That might not be the right way to go here. Maybe it should be centered at the bottom. Because that way, like, things that are like different sizes vertically won't conflict with one another. Alright, well... What are the dimensions of this thing? How do I see that? It's gotta be in one of these tabs, I'd imagine. Oh yeah, it wouldn't really tell me that, would it? Oh. I'm kind of mad about that constraint with, with Godot. I feel like that shouldn't be a thing, but I don't know. How the hell do I see the coordinates of a point? Blender for 1 C coordinates of point. Oh, press the letter N. Okay. Oh, there we go. That's so helpful. Okay. So that's y negative 0.5, which goes down... Wait. Oh, wait, no, I'm looking at z, not y. So z negative 1 to 1. Oh, so that's why it's 2... It just is 2 meters tall. Okay. So we want to raise it by 1, because we want the bottom point to be at 0. Hopefully that fixes our problem. If it doesn't, we can move it back, no biggie. Go back to object mode, so GZ1. It may still be off vertically, so we'll have to check that as well, but... Or, not vertically, horizontally. Oh, the joy of 3 dimensions. and give us that GLB, because Godot also is picky about that. Which that one, fair enough, I don't mind just using a different format. Bet this is from one of the SNES Goemon games. I don't know for a fact. I'm just guessing. I can't win. I just cannot win, it would appear. Oh, okay, I might need to re-import. I'm not really sure. How'd that get there? I can't get it now. It's like... Oh no! Nightmare. Is there like a snap to grid that I have turned on that I can turn off? Oh. Nope. Wait. So how do I fix this? This was before I moved everything, I think. Alright, let's go back to Blender. Move it back down. This is the dumbest fix ever, but... I'm not even sure how that got created. I didn't put one there. How do I redo in Blender? Oh, Shift Control Z. Okay, re-import the bad hedge. Wait. Ah! Wait, is this lined up now? I swear to God, I'm gonna lose my mind. Why is this now correct? Or is it not? I can't really tell. Let me put it over here. Although, the one that I'm placing is also, like, different for some reason. Wait, what? Oh no, I thought I had it for a second. How do I go to, like, this mode? How do I, like, deselect this? Like, if I want to move my grid map. Maybe you can't move the grid map. Maybe that's the problem. Is this in here, though? Like, if I start the scene, is there gonna be a fucking hedge up my dick? Is that what's going on, or no? Okay, it's fake. Why? It looks like it's there. I don't know. Whatever. I mean, maybe I broke the hedge. Okay, save this, re-export this. Wondering too if I should like move this so that like the corner is at 0, 0, 0. That would help at all with alignment for stuff. Which I think is the same, like I would just move it by X by 1 and then... Oh no, -1. And then by Y by 1, yeah. And then this should be 0, 0, 0, I think. Well, been wrong before. That would be -1, -1, 1, or 1, -1, -1. Global. Oh, okay, global at 0, 0, 0. Good. Okay, that suddenly makes a lot more sense. I have a feeling this is going to make things worse. But we're gonna try this. Alright. Import hedge. It moved it again. I don't even know what this ghost tile is anyway, so fuck it. But also, you there. Import from scene, ignore transforms. Okay. Yeah, cool. Can I see my scene, please? There's the grid map. I found it. Are you finally lined up with anything? No. Why? Do I maybe want to, like, include transforms when I import? Wait, is that... No, that's, like, way off the ground. Alright, well, we'll try that, see if that has any different effect. Apply transforms. Oh yeah? So this one still lines up where it's at. Hey, wait, this works now. Well, it doesn't, but it kind of does. It's closer to working now than it was previously. Wait, now you're here. What the fuck? You're still fucked up, though, in the same exact way. Why? Why is it like this? Godot, GridMap. Not aligned. GridMap mesh alignment issue. Fix them within wait, what? You can and should fix them in Blender. Move everything to the world origin when exporting. Not an engine issue. Man, I hate that like 90% of the things I fucking look up for Godot, like issues like this, are just Reddit posts because you get the most fucking fart sniffing, fedora wearing motherfuckers responding to this shit. It's not even like the information's bad there, it's just really obnoxious the way that person replied. Also doesn't really relate to my case, so altogether it doesn't matter. Yeah, what's up, Chameleon? It's a question about 2D tile maps. Actually, wait, this might be kind of relevant, although I guess... No, because, yeah, wait, this is similar in the way it works for 2D, I guess? I feel this about every Reddit post. I know, it's my blood boil. Oh, okay, that person's having a scaling issue, which is not what we're running into, I think. I hope. Maybe. Like, I'm fully okay with, like, okay, I need to move my origin or whatever, but, like, to where? Like, let me see if I can find a video of someone doing, like, a 3D grid map, like a quick setup tutorial, because they might mention it. Grid map, mesh. There's no short ones, but that's okay. Oh wait, they're saying something about... Also, this is very weird and not aligned with my experience at all in Godot. Because they have multiple objects in this scene that they're exporting. Although, to be fair, they each have one texture. Oh, they merged a mesh. Okay. Never mind. I think they're just, like, putting assets together. I wish I could see... Yeah, see, in this instance... Okay, they do have it above ground, like mine is, but they don't... Like... XY-wise, they have it, where the origin is, like, in the center of the thing they're putting in. So I think this is... Well... relative to this thing... This appears to be what I should be doing. Let me see if I can, like... Oh, that's pretty clever. So they do have a bunch of different objects in one scene that they all want to be part of, like, the grid map overall, or the grid map tile set overall. But what they're doing is you can, I guess there's like an option in Blender that you can do only include selected objects when you're exporting. So that's smart. What is wacky is that they have them all in like random places. Uh, hmm. Oh. Now I'm a little confused because I think they actually did just make one GLB for like everything. I guess I'll see. I do have one way of potentially fixing whatever the hell's going on with this ghost hedge that's just sitting up there. Let me just open yield GitHub desktop client. I think we can just roll this back for the scene specifically. Actually, I should be watching this video. Wait. There's no changes to test scene? Or am I just missing it? There it is. Alright, good. Felt like I was going crazy for a second there. Alright. That head shouldn't be there anymore. No! Why is it there? Where's my grid map at? There it is. Okay. Oh, interesting. So in the scene, you do scene export as mesh library, and then you can merge with existing. And apply mesh instance transforms. And like the settings in that. Okay. Let me try to delete this with a different tile. Nothing can take this thing down. I don't think it exists, because when I press play, it's not there. But it's not an issue with the hedge, because if I were to put hedges here, these ones will show up. It's just some bizarre visual glitch in Godot, but I really hope it doesn't stay there forever. Yeah, see? that's wacky. Whatever, man. Okay, one thing I haven't done is actually look at the tiles scene. Because this could be part of the problem, I guess. Oh! Oh! Well, now that's interesting. So the problem is not that the hedge is misaligned. The problem is that my cube is misaligned. The annoying thing is if I change this, everything is going to be like that. Okay. Well, actually, the problem was both initially, because this was, like, this object was partially, like, in the ground or whatever. But, like... Wait. There's a ghost hedge in here. Dude, okay. I'm gonna close Godot. It's like putting a hedge in, like, every scene. It's wacky. Please don't be there. Don't put the hedge there, please. Ah, wait, never mind. That's supposed to be in this scene. Hey, it's not there. You could see when I hovered over it though. Like it showed me a preview of the window, and it was there. And then, like cleaned it up. Oh goodness. Okay. Well, anyway, now that heart attack is over, let us re-import again. And now I'm realizing I don't think I exported from Blender. So we want this centered XY like to be top down like this, but we do want the bottom to be at z equals 0, which it is. Wrong folder. Oh, right. Just to be safe. There's the format I'm looking for. Yeesh. Okay, now we open up this guy. Tiles, hedge. There we go. Why? Why are you in my scene? Get out of my scene. God damn it. Okay, anyway. Now we go back to tiles. I'm gonna need to close it again after this, but that's okay. In the scene. This guy is where we want him to be. Oh, right. You know what? Actually, while we're at it, let's fix our stairs, too. Object mode. Oops. GZ 0.5. And then looks like that is centered correctly on the other axis. Go ahead and export that guy. Re-import him as well, and I'm sure we'll get another floating random frickin' object again. If I can actually find the correct thing. Damn it! I can't see if the stairs are fixed because of the fucking... Okay, good. It is in the right spot. So now all we need to do is wood floor. Wood floor is what? Okay, let's turn this into a scene. And in that scene we can move the object. Or actually, you know what? No, we can do this, I think. Just move this up by 0.5 so that it's actually like... Okay, this is going to break everything. But that's okay. We're gonna need to slightly move everything up now because of this. Alright, am I inside the floor? Somehow I'm not. That worries me. Does this miss a line? It does not. Again, I am concerned. The controls on this are wonky, to say the least. And I don't know why this is sideways. I mean, I can rotate it, so it's not like it's like... shoot, how do I rotate this? Rotate mode. Huh? It's something like G, S. This object is a menace. This is the key to everything, though. We need to get this stupid tile. You know what? Actually, here we can do it this way. Let's apply transforms. This might actually just do it for me. I mean, long term, like I don't think we'd need this thing, but whatever. Scenery, tiles. Hey, no, don't tell me that this still doesn't align. Wait, hold on, wait. Why did you rotate? Hold on, I think this actually is correct now. Just gotta remember what random button I need to press to rotate this thing. I can't tell which side's up on this thing. Am I like... There we go. No. No, you are not still somehow, like, slightly off. Oh, wait, no, okay. Vertically, it's not. They are now flush with one another. Cool. Okay, so that problem's been solved. I have no freaking clue why these are all sideways, though. Well, no, this is not sideways. What the heck, man? Oh, you know what? It's probably because it was rotated? I don't know, actually. Oh, shoot. These can't go next to each other. That's, not good. That does work, though. Cool. At least they tile nicely that way. Oh, right, I'm gonna be in the floor. Dang it. I think I just fall through it in that case. Or it snaps me to the right position. Why did you guys rotate? Wait, they don't have collision. This guy does, though. Yeah, they all rotated. Damn it. Why did it not save the rotation? What? Wait, no, this one's fine. No, wait, is it? Or is it the side of it? I can't tell. Dude, I am losing my mind with this. Yeah, these ones, I think they both rotated the way I wanted them to be. I mean, this one, they're definitely rotated in two different directions. It's just the stairs that are like, nope. I don't know, man. I think I do know why the stairs aren't colliding the way I want them to, though. And we can fix that. Although I do need to... There's no easy wins here. Are the stairs, like... Did I rotate them in any way, shape, or form? No. Wait, the stairs do have a collision shape. Why are they not, Oh. Wait. God. Oh yeah, they don't have a scene. Okay. Oh, I just added this in here, didn't I? I think I did. Which, yeah, we shouldn't do that. Oh my god, I'm gonna go crazy. Could you please? I mean, I don't mind if it's, like, facing one way and I need to, like, rotate it or whatever to get it the other way. I'm starting to reconsider, like, putting things in, like, the corner over here. I think that... maybe that is a good practice, because then we can tile things a little bit better. It does not change the fact that if something is not a multiple of the grid map grid size, which I might be able to change, I'm not sure. Let's save this scene first. Parse error, what? Let me test that. Can we change the size of the grid map grid? That might be in the actual, like... no, that would be in the grid map settings, wouldn't it? I honestly don't know. Cell. Oh, yeah, look at that. So I could, like... our octant size? Scale. The scale of cell items. Oh. Oh. Okay. So yeah, that we can fix that. That's cool. That's kind of funny that it happens like immediate or like on all objects. I guess that would make the most sense. But okay. So that's a decision you need to make up front per scene. Because the grid map we would use would be like that's gonna be a different grid map per scene because that has a different layout for everything. Okay, yes, this is all working. But just for the sake of it, let's 0.5, 0.5. It's gonna make my map look really fucking stupid, but that's okay. And now I could put these right next to each other and tile them appropriately. And it doesn't even like block us from using larger stuff because you would just space out more. Cool. Alright. I feel a lot better about that. I am still thinking about... no, I think if the X and Y are centered... or the X and Z, depending on which coordinate system we're talking about. I think that's still fine. Yeah. I'm gonna restart Godot again. It's really frustrating that it, like, puts the model in the middle of everything when you, like, change it. I don't know why it's doing that, but whatever. Okay. Okay. So this is still sideways, but this one looks like it's actually, like, correct now. But we're back to floating tiles. What the heck? How did that happen? Did I do something in Blender that I needed to re-export? No, this is already what we had. Oh, right, I was gonna work on the collision for the imported staircase, which is why we made a scene for it. Cool. So we want a static body 3D, and then we need a collision shape 3D. And let's go ahead and get a convex polygon. I think that's the best shape for this. Points. Let's go ahead and add 3 points to it. Too few vertices per face. Another one. I don't see the shape. Hold on. Godot. Triangular collision shape 3D. How to make custom collision shapes. I'm kind of shocked that, like, triangle is not one of the default ones, but whatever. This is a 57-second video, so this should be quick. Oh, I don't want this in 2D, you ass. Whatever, this should be similar, hopefully. Wait, how is he doing that? What? You can just draw them? Alright, never mind. Maybe I can't use this 2D example to figure out. Oh, right, I've actually done that in 2D. Never mind. Yeah. Obviously, it's going to be different for 3D, which fair. I'm actually mostly just shocked that, the only options are, like, cylinder, sphere, square, and capsule. I mean, to be fair, I guess those are really common shapes for collision, but, like, triangle is like a building block of, like, most graphical things. Unless it's not in Godot, I don't know. Maybe that's... Godot 4 collision 3D tutorial, yes! Yes, that. You can use the body you have, yep. Oh yeah, wait, okay. Hold on. I don't think I even need... Wait. Collision... Wait, collision polygon 3D. What the hell is that? Oh, I can make a shape this way and then have it point at that. I think. Oh yeah, look at that. I think I could probably just... Can I even just get rid of this and then... Nope. What's the warning here? Empty collision 3D polygon has no effect on collision. Maybe I should finish watching their video. This is cool. Oh, yeah, because this is empty. Whoa, they're drawing this way. What? Alright, I missed what they did there. Use this pencil tool. Whoa! Alright, don't do that though. Hold on. In fact, give me this. Now pencil it up. What? Why is the pencil not working? Oh, don't click and drag, just click. What the jank? Alright, new collision polygon. What the fuck, man? I think the way I was doing it before also probably would have worked, but I don't know. Oh, it's because... No, it's not because I have to be inside of that. It's just not working. What the fuck? Oh, now it works. Why? What the fuck? So why is this not, like, starting at 0, 0, 0, but it says it is? Is this not at 0, 0, 0? I mean, no, it's very clearly at the spot there. Dude, I don't understand why? Why does that work that way? Amazing. I'm gonna go back to what I was trying to do, because I think that that might be an easier way to do what I'm trying to do here. Okay, let's work this out here. So we need 1, 2... wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, I think. And we're gonna just make a blank node 3D as a marker for, like, where the heck this thing is. Okay. This is at 0.5, negative 0.25. Copy that. Paste that. You son of a bitch. Okay, fine. Guess I'll just manually copy it then. So x 0.5, z negative... Oh wait, it did go in. What the... Dude, Godot is so broken. What the fuck? I don't know what order I should be doing these points in. Maybe it doesn't matter. It's doing something. Oh, it's because of all the zeros. This is, like, not working in the same coordinate space, seemingly. So that should be 4 points for those 4 things down there, but then we need the 2 points up here, which will be... This is 1, I think it goes up to. So yeah, that'll be a negative 0.5... 1... Um, well, it made a triangle. Not facing the right way. It's also not spanning the length of the object for some reason. Okay, maybe I screwed up here, because what... Like, actually speaking here, what are the, like, coordinates here? Oh, crud. What was it? How do I... Oh, yeah. Hotkey is N. Okay, so it goes from x equals 1 to... Hello? Am I in face mode? I am in face mode, that's why it's doing this to me. Okay. Okay, it does go from 1, -1, 0. Okay, I fucked up. And then this is +1, -1 to +1. So this is, again, 2 by 2. Yeah, so this needs to go further. Not sure why it's freaking upside down, but you know. So this should still be 1, I think. But this should be -1 now. Now it looks like we have the right shape, but it's sideways. Which is very odd. But that also tracks with why it, like, not why, but the plane itself being, like, sideways for some reason. Oh, speaking of that, that's what we came back in here to do. Let's rename it to Stare. I don't know what all this is. Ah. Okay, so that's like... We used like a, I don't think you could just do that through the menu, but that's the full visual of the normal map and the texture being applied. Still have not a freaking clue why it's sideways, though. And it's even sideways in this preview, which is what's so weird about all this. Maybe there's like some weird import settings with the model. I'm not really sure. Okay, update it. Oh, now it's like... Well, it's not even right, though. It's too big now. And also off-centered. What in the fuck happened to this scene? Oh, it couldn't replace them because I renamed it, so it didn't know what was happening. Gotcha. Maybe it'll properly import now that I did that? I don't know. We can only hope. This stuff, though. Let's see what happens. So in tiles, get rid of this guy, because this is like... This is the fake one. Also, this shape is wrong. I don't know what's up with it. But whatever. Get rid of the direct reference to the model, pull in the scene. And if I hide this, hopefully I can see it. Wood floor. Yep. Cool. Okay. Now we go back to our mesh library. I feel like there hasn't been like much visual progress in the game in my last 2 streams, but like this is kind of huge, and like in understanding this is gonna like really let us start moving forward with making levels for the game, which is like one of the big things that is yet to be done. Import and apply prefabs or transforms. Scenery, tiles. Alright. Presumably we broke the world again. Yes, that's what I like to see. My legs in the ground, doors not aligned. What, my hedges? Perfect. Okay. These guys, they're still sideways in the preview, which worries me greatly. But perhaps we got ourselves a ramp now. Let's find out. Well, not so much. Although, they didn't turn sideways, which is huge. Sadly. Alright. If everything is as it seems, I need to just adjust, like, the positioning of that collision shape, and we're good. Also, I should not have put it back here where the enemy is, but you know, whatever. He is docile for some reason. Then also, so is all of this. How's it Godot? Hey, what's up, Bear-like Lion? Making some progress, however, facing a lot of things that I don't understand currently. Just little gotchas about how to set up tile or grid map stuff in Godot. Actually, even beyond just the grid map stuff, I'm struggling with a couple of core concepts about collision in 3D. Why did I do that? Stairs redo scene. So I would have thought that I would have collided with this on this edge up here. GridMap's a little tricky to work with. Yeah, for sure. They're definitely really enticing, because once I get this stuff working, I'm going to be able to like crank out levels, which is awesome. Only dabbled in 3D. Yeah, it's a lot. Tiles are like way simpler and more like well put together in 2D, but I mean, that you could probably say that about any game engine that has 2D and 3D stuff. Yeah, what worries me here is that like this shape, if it was really aligned where it needed to be, like I would have run into it a little bit, but I just ran straight through the whole thing. Did I make this in Blender? Yes, I did. The trickiest part of this was getting, like... GridMap does not seem to like it when you have multiple materials on your model. So I ended up having... I don't know why this only shows the normal map, but whatever. I ended up having to make, like, an atlas, and then, like, apply... per face. That's not what I wanted to do. There we go. Like, per face go in and tell it, like, use this one for this face, and so on and so forth. But whatever, we got there. It also doesn't like it if you have more than one object, but I guess that's typically how you do stuff modeling-wise. I'm really not an expert when it comes to 3D modeling. I'm learning this stuff as I go. So it's on the right layer, collision-wise. Why is this messed up? New bit at all, though I did prototypes in 3D. Gotcha, gotcha. Oh yeah, I could do that too. Shoot, it's a good point. Although in this case that wouldn't help me because it would... I need the collision Like, I want to cheat here. My stairs, I just want them to be like a slope. Right, yeah, it would have the actual staircase, which might work depending on how much of a step I have coded into like the collision logic. But no need for all that. I mean, honestly, this is stupid, but for retro's sake, I want to have it like force the player to press a button to go up the stairs and then play an animation just to get that true Resident Evil type of aesthetic going. But, you know. Invisible slope and expert with the collision. I'm worried that that would break it from the grid map. So the funny thing is, when you like do something wrong with the model in the grid map, it doesn't really tell you, and it'll even like let you like place stuff. But then when you hit play, it just won't show up in the scene. It's very odd and frustrating. Cisco Surf Clone uses a grid map and I hated it. It's tough to use. Yeah. I guess the thing is, like, I'm just so enticed by it, because, like, if I can get this working, it's gonna be awesome. Alright, maybe I'll go back to the other example I was looking at. I just couldn't figure out how to, like, make this work. Collision polygon 3D instead of collision shape. It's like kinda seemed like it would do the trick. I don't... Whatever, that's fine. Like, I should be able to adjust this afterwards, I think. Whoa, why is it all the way down there? Oh, I didn't want to, like, delete the whole thing. Oh, I guess it hadn't finalized any of that yet. Oh, now it lets me do this? What the heck? That is super not right, but that's okay, we'll adjust afterwards, you know? Oh, now it's like really wrong. Alright, let's unpack this mess. Also, there's one extra vertice. Why is it just X and Y? What? I think I understand why the other shape is like out, or like in the wrong coordinate space now. Does it show me which one I have currently selected here? I guess I could do this to find out. Alright, so we're looking at that one. Move that there. Could also kind of like line these up too, that would help. I'm shocked that it's not warning me right now, because like the vertices are like crossing over. See, the problem is it's like moving it... I'm really confused as to why this is just 2 coordinates, not more. New plan. Wait, can I start over with this? Oh, I guess I just did by doing that. Can I lock it to an axis? No, I can't. Is the collision below the stairs? Yeah, it kind of went all over the place there. Oh, you mean the other box that I set up? Yeah, it is, but that's not... It's also not the right shape. I'm worried that this doesn't work, or like this other shape does not work. I don't know. I guess I should trust in this because the other... We use collision shape for the other stuff, and that works. Those are all boxes, but, I mean, same type of thing, it should work. Yeah, maybe I should just keep trying with this. So, the problem is I need this to go not between 1 and -1, but 0 and 2, because it's looking at, like, in terms of, like, scene terms. Now, I'm not sure why this isn't the same range as... Or it's, like, half the size of what it was in the, or less than that, even? Well, whatever, we'll see. Okay. Oh no, that is the right size. I need to half everything, so this is actually between 1 and 0. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that'll be fine. Once I move it in on this side, it will be a-okay. Yeah, because now those points are at the right spot. Alright, well this is what I was trying to do, so we'll go with this, we'll run with this and see what happens. Now, as a sanity check here, let's go ahead and check the tiles. If I can find them. And this is using the scene version of it and not the other thing. If I hide everything else... See, this is what's weird. The collision shape does not appear to be showing... Although, oh, that's while running, not in editor. If I do editable children... Oh. Oh. Well, that might explain why it's not working. Oh wait, what is this? Oh, right, I was using that for a marker. I don't need that anymore. Okay, well, don't do that one. I don't know why it has that one in the first place. Use the other one. Stairs redo T scene. Okay. Out of my way, wood floor. Hey, it has the shape. Cool. Now re-import those, and hopefully everything's good at that point. GridMap. This guy. GridMap. Nope. Mesh library. Import. Apply transforms. What the fuck? Why did those become hedges? God, I wish the gizmo for the fucking... Oh, I didn't mean to delete that one. Oops. Like, I feel like that gizmo should not be visible while you're doing mesh library stuff. Dude, what the fuck? They turned back into hedges. And they have the collision of hedges, too. Alright. Losing my mind. What happens if I put a hedge here? Will it become a stair? can't see because of the fucking hedges. It does become a stair. Does the ramp work? I can't tell if I'm aligned or not. Inconclusive. Alright, I'm gonna close Godot and reopen it, because that appears to be the fix for all this crap. We're making progress, I think. I also don't know if my player has the ability to walk up slopes, or if that slope is too steep or anything like that. Okay, good. Order has been restored, sort of. It's just... I know earlier we tried to make a slope manually and get that to, like, update the nav mesh, and it, like, did not go well at all. So, I don't know about enemies chasing us upstairs, but, well, that also does not appear to be working. Now, I can't tell if it has no collision, or if I just, like... Wrong direction. There we go. So that'll work. No, they just have no collision. Man! I was hopeful. Custom solver bias. No description available. Cool. Margarine. No description available. Hold up. Godot, convex, polygon, shape, 3D. Not working. Whatever. Yeah, it's not like there's any, like, details to put in here. Wait, why is the static body offset? Hold on. That doesn't seem right. Or is it just because this is offset? Which also does not seem right. I feel like this should be 0, 0, 0. Alright, let's look at our hedge. Does our hedge have, like, a transform on it? It does. Huh. Okay, whatever. That one's working. He's golden, so we're gonna just assume that that's okay on this one too. Thread with no replies other than someone saying, "Hey, I had a similar problem with a similar script," and there's an open ticket. Collision shapes 3D. It will not work with... wait. Hold on. They will not work with character bodies or rigid bodies unless the rigid bodies mode is static. I don't know if that's, like, actually what I'm running into here. Like, even as is, I know obviously the player's gonna kind of sink into that. That's fine, we can adjust that afterwards, but, Concave or tri-mesh collision shapes. Okay, so that's specifically about concave shapes. You can only use concave shapes within static bodies, and that's what we have, so that's fine. Fuck. That's just saying you can't, when not using grid maps for level design, concave shapes are the best approach for a level's collision. That said, if your level has small details, you may want to exclude those from the collision performance. Okay. Performance caveats. Convex collision shapes. There are compromises between primitive shapes and concave collision shapes. They can represent shapes of any complexity, but with an important caveat. As their name implies, the individual shape can only represent a convex shape. For instance, a pyramid is convex. Yeah, that's what we're doing. It's the simplest fucking shape I could make. It's not a pyramid even, it's literally just a triangle. Depending on your object's complexity, you may get better performance using multiple convex shapes instead of a concave shape. Okay. Create a single convex collision sibling. It uses the quick hole algorithm. Creates one collision shape node with automatically generated convex collision shapes. Since it only generates a single shape, it provides good performance. It's ideal for small objects. Cool. None of this says anything about like limitations with other objects interacting with them, which is the weird thing. We recommend favoring primitive shapes for dynamic objects such as rigid bodies and character bodies, as their behavior is the most reliable. Cool. Very reassuring, Godot engine. Ray pickable. This object's pickable. Oh, it means a ray will collide with it. Okay. Try and drag. This is giving me a mild headache. Wait, why are these transforms messed with? What? Is that why everything's like... Huh. Well, even this has a rotation on it. Okay. Things are getting wacky. Nope, wrong thing. N? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I don't want... How do I tell, like, the rotation of... Oh, this! Yeah. So this is rotated 90 degrees. I feel like that shouldn't be. Like, I should just have this at 0. Oh. Oh! Oh! Okay, that might explain some of the fuckery with the things being sideways previously, but I think importing with transform has fixed that problem entirely. So that's whatever, I don't really care. What I do care about is that this is not... Those are just general node properties. This looks fine, but it's not working. Now, if I were to do something basic like a box, right? Alright, let's just, for the sake of, like, checking this... Oh, thanks for the follow, Boss Gans. Let's Let's go ahead and move this. Wait, how do I... Oh yeah, I can just move the... I can physically move it, right? Wait, my static body is, like, not centered on my object. Okay, that's definitely part of the problem here. It's also weird that this is scaled, like, ×2. Ah, you know what? That's probably why everything was so screwy earlier. Did snap get turned on? This could be related to why this is going wrong here. I'm just gonna turn that one off for now. The crazy thing is the scale is 0.5. This one, okay, the base is all... That one makes sense. This is probably from the import? Maybe? Maybe not? Rotating that also makes me nervous, but whatever. It's already been done, so whatever. So we've got our scale 1, 1, 1. Now let's set this proper. So this should be 1, 1, -1, so on and so forth. And this needs to go down. So 1 is the correct Y position on the top, but on the bottom it needs to be -1. I think. Okay, that's good, but now it's not wide enough, which is a-okay. Came really close to accidentally deleting that point. Just gonna ignore that. Okay, so now we're back to this. Cool. I don't know if this requires a No, it does require a re-import. Which means Godot's gonna freak out again, because it loves to do that. Now we're gonna have random tiles just swapping with one another. Although, you know what? Yeah, okay, I don't care because I know they're gonna be right when I hit play. Now please, tell me this works. Oh, I thought he was going up, but it was just the frickin' shader, jiggle shader that we have on. Damn. Well, that was wishful thinking. I also understand now why this is, like, sideways in the preview, but since we have since we're now applying transform, it does go the right way, which is cool. But it's always gonna be sideways because it's rotated in Unity. Or not Unity, Blender, what am I saying? Unity. Hey, what's up, Jason, huh? How's it going? So why is it doing that? Oh yeah, that's a good point. I don't know why I haven't tried that in the first place. I am expecting to see nothing around these staircase tiles, but that's a good call just to be safe. It's hard to see. No, there's nothing on them. You know what I could do also just to be definitively certain of that? Let's, forget if I, like, which one's the wrong one here. Like, if I do hedge, will that turn into a stair? I think maybe. Yeah, okay. So yeah, there's no collision over there, sadly. That box is an invisible thing. Okay. Weird. I guess I'll restart Godot just to... because... having that visual glitch does not make this any easier to debug. Okay. You know, the weird thing about that bug as well is the fact that, like, the order of these did not change. So I don't know why, like, why it breaks that way, but whatever, who cares. So if I open the actual tile, or, mesh library, that's the word I'm looking for. So we've got this guy, shapes, so he's got a box shape. Cool. Then if I open this guy, he's got no shape. Interesting. I mean, that's probably why, but, so yeah, likewise, if I go to the cube, that will have, or the hedge, that'll also have its shape, I'm imagining. If I can find it. There it is. Yeah, I don't know if it needs this identity matrix, but it looks like that has something to do with this. Or this matrix, which happens to be an identity matrix. I think, right? I don't know. It's been... holy shit, it's been over a decade since I was in college. That's crazy to think about. Ugh. So I could re-add this manually, I guess, but I don't want to do that because I'm going to need to re-import constantly. I don't want to have to, like, keep redoing it each time. So what instead I should look at is, why is it not exporting the shape for this guy? I mean, again, actually, yeah, let's prove it. I'm pretty sure it's happening that way because I'm using that complex shape. I mean, it looks... wait, is it fine in here? Oh yeah, it is, okay. Alright, so they're crap out of here. Yep, that is the shape that we set. Open the actual scene. Oh no, okay. I know I clicked disable on it at one point, and I was like, wait, did I not unclick that? Okay. Just to prove this, let's, oh, actually the Z should be 1. Let's use a basic shape and see what happens. Although, honestly, having 2 of them on here might also be a complicating factor. Before I re-import the thing, because I hate having to deal with that bug that's happening. I don't think this would automatically pull that in. Yeah, it didn't. Okay, it didn't, or it didn't work. But I don't think it does that by default. So time to re-import and have everything turn into hedges again. It's crazy that this happens, like I haven't updated at all. But it's just like, yep, sure, whatever, man. Oh, I can't even view it in here. Damn it, I was gonna check if the shape was under the thing. Well, we'll see it soon enough. Oh! Okay, so that's pretty interesting. It did not, Okay, I want to try something really quick. There's no way that this is, like, the fix here, but just in case it is, take the scene, export as a mesh library. Don't merge with existing. Hard rewrite it. Oh, also apply the transforms. Yes, I want to overwrite it. Please tell me that didn't break anything. Well, it's about status quo. Okay. Oh no! They're actually bushes this time. That's not good. But whatever. I don't know. We'll deal with that in a second, I suppose. I can only imagine what other chaos is going on. God damn it! Oh my god, that actually did the trick. Okay, so maybe we've been fine the whole time, and I just need to, like, hard import. Stupid fixed camera angles, retro aesthetic. Okay, so get rid of this garbage. Turn this back on. And I think we're maybe just good. I just need to, like, hard import this. Which, in and of itself, is kind of annoying as well, but whatever. It's fine. Alright, I'm gonna just close Godot. Don't save whatever you just did to my scene. It's probably too late for that scene, we're probably gonna need to fix it, but as long as it's just that scene, we're good. I'm fine. Dude, why is Donkey Kong music such a bop? Oh, the only thing I... Okay, well... Let's fix this, and then we can, The weirdest... Oh, okay, it didn't. Never mind. I was gonna say, the weirdest thing is that it replaced one of the wood blocks, like, just one of them, but it didn't. Shit. I was mistaken. Alright. Back to some semblance of normalcy. Please! Also, I misplaced that first staircase. Whatever, I'll still be able to test it. I see it! Will it work? Okay, I don't think my guy works with slopes. No, he does. Hey! Oh my god, that's so hard to do. Why is that so hard? Alright, my staircase might be a little bit steep. Oh, in fact... Ah, no. It doesn't work with the, I can't go between steps if there's a block underneath them. Oh, actually, you know what, that's fine, because we need to adjust that anyway. Unfortunately, this is going to break that stupid thing again. Alright, you know what, here, let me delete the staircases, because they're gonna break them anyway. We'll put them back later, after I reset the entire fucking scene as usual. But yeah, all we gotta do, we just gotta move the shape a little bit. Actually, I hate to do this, but I think I need to add, like, 2 more polygons. Or points on the polygon. So these two actually need to be these 2 spots. I hate how this doesn't, like, update. Okay, and then for these 2 spots, we move them back just, like, a little bit, so, like, 0.9, I guess. More than that, but still. That's, right. Actually, the bigger I make this, the more of a hassle it's going to be. Because it's going to give an even steeper slope, which will be harder to climb. That's just kind of the nature of the model I made, I suppose. But this little plateau will help. Oh, you know what? Actually, and the other thing I wanted to do was, again, making it just steeper, which is annoying. Give this just, like, the littlest bit of, like, height so that you can get over anything that's, like, even with it. So what we're going to do now is back here, we want to drag this out even further, again, just by a little bit, so we're fudging the numbers, but not too bad, hopefully. And this will make the slope smoother, and also give us a smoother, like, overall... the thing is, if I push this out too much, approaching it is going to be harder, because you're going to hit the side of it. But I guess that's... whatever. We'll just deal with that. That, hopefully, is a good compromise without being too crazy. I wish I could adjust this. No, wait, we can... Okay, we can test this without having to rebuild over and over and over again. let's just put one in the scene. Like, we not even part of the grid map, just put one in the scene. And then we can go from there. Did I not... Oh, right, I rolled my code back. I'm like, why is there a television in here still? Hell, put two of them in the scene, because why not? That way we can adjust it, test, rinse and repeat. You know, why did I put this over here instead of the way the camera was facing? It's idle thought there. No, I can't climb up it, it's too steep. Okay, well, alternatively... Dude, why does Snap to Grid, like, turn itself on? Oh yeah, and then it gets, like, reversed. Like, I have to turn it on to have it off. Ah, the jank. Also, I don't think that that's accurate, but that's like that's not the player's hitbox, it's the player's like interact sphere. Or interact box, I guess. Slide on ceiling. What the fuck? Floor, this is what I wanted to do. Stop on slope. Yeah, don't slide down slopes, that's good. Max angle, yeah, we just need to adjust this, but also let's do it on the prefab, not here. So I don't really want to fuck with the hitbox too much on the stairs, because it's gonna make, like, the gameplay weird. Instead, we can just mess with the, just moving platform. Oh, cool. Dude, I didn't even know that existed in here. There's no way that's more than 45 degrees, but whatever, man. Bump it to 60. Why'd that lag so bad? What the hell? I should turn off debug windows, or debug highlights now that I'm good. Hey! You'll never get me. Wait, why can't he get me? Oh, right, these aren't part of the grid map, so he has no idea like how to navigate those. Not the grid map, they're not part of the nav mesh. I did test this not yesterday, last stream, and we can put things that are not part of the grid map under the same like alongside a grid map, and then rebuild the nav mesh to have it fit both spots. Alright, things are about to get fucky. We gotta re-import this shit again. Where's my scenes? Or my tiles? Tiles. Well, this ended up not being a lot about modeling tonight. We made a very basic model. And then went down a fucking rabbit hole for the tile mesh. Which isn't even, or the mesh library, which isn't even going to be related to the character models that I need to work on. Like, that'll just be its own thing. But dadgummit, I need it done, and we got it done. We also fixed the stairs. The stairs were horribly broken prior to tonight. So, you know, it's pretty cool. Oh, shoot. I probably need to adjust a lot of my scenes now that I've, like, moved the square tile a half tile up. Oh yeah, even these doors are, like, not in the right spot currently because of that. Alright, we'll fix that, and I think at that point I'm gonna swap to playing some games before the night's over here. But, yeah. Bake the nav mesh. Oh, he wasn't moving because he was still stuck in the floor. He was on the old map. I guess it doesn't consider... Oh, does it have... Hold on, there's, Ah, max slope, there it is. 60 degrees. Bake it again. What? Why can't you go up here? Bake. Well, whatever, I guess. Ah, you... Wait, is he gonna do it? Ah, I thought it was smart for a second. He could probably actually still hit me from there. Nope, he can't. I don't know why. Like, his hitbox was touching mine. Weird. Oh wait, no, he was touching my inspect box, not my actual hitbox. Too many frickin' collision squares, man. Area maps, whatever you want to call them. Alright, I will fix all of this stuff in a second, but first I'm going to get up and take a quick break. Enjoy this music that's from something. I actually don't know what the hell this is from. Oh, before I forget, nah, this will just be part of my fixes. BRB, and then we'll fix stuff. RIP modeling stream, I guess. We did make a model, to be fair. We made that hedge. That glorious hedge. Alrighty. Mario Kart music. I could look into why it is like not letting me nav mesh up here. It could be because it's too narrow, I don't know. Hey, what's up, W2 Speedy? Let us fix all of the problems I caused by adjusting the alignment of my tiles. First things first, let's get these doors back into place. If I can... That looks to be about right. Oh yeah, that should be aligned because it's 0.5 under. Honestly, this is all test room stuff anyway. I don't really care that much about it's being perfect, you know? So the two pickups are fine because like I had them a little bit off the ground anyway. I feel like if you manually insert all the vertices in the 3D renderer, it makes it easier to control all the animations. Not really. Because, well, I mean, I guess it depends on what kind of animation you're trying to do and how many, like, vertices the thing you're working on have. But I feel like that will quickly get out of control when you're trying to do, like, most practical things that you'd want in a video game. Like, if you need something really basic, it probably would be easier to just have direct control of them like that, but if you get, like, more complicated, I could easily see that becoming kind of annoying pretty quickly. I don't recommend doing it? Well, good news, I won't. Is he broken? Oh, he is in the air. Dang it. You know, it's weird, he was actually fine. Oh, I know the problem. I need this to be on the floor, so we don't want that quite there. Wait, what? Oh, I put it to 0, that's what happened. It was in the floor. And it still seemed to work, so... I don't know if that's just like the collision clipping to the right spot. Oh, speaking of adjustments, I want to mess with my enemy prefabs here. Let's go to the chaser. Here's your character body 3D. Get everybody up to that 60-degree standard. So we're gonna have some steep-ass bullshit. Shambler's been updated. Player's already good to go. Cool. I think this scene is fine now. How about this one? Damn it. That viewport annoys me. Well, I can see one issue already. Where's my grid map at? There it is. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so in this room I had the stairs just kind of like side by side. Actually, that doesn't even work in here, does it? Or wait, did I make the grid map smaller in this one? No. Oh yeah, the stairs were like upside down or something, so I put them in a weird shape. You know, let's actually use the hedges though. But we'll get them lined up properly. And also rotated as soon as I figure out... There it is, it's S. I got it. It's not a great representation of, like, because it's just like a wooden room, but then there's shrubbery. But whatever. Who cares? That item box... No, the item box is in the floor. Never mind. I thought it was okay. It's not okay. In fact, so is the player, now that I'm looking at him. I care. Well, too bad. Got him. Snap to grid is doing that thing again for some reason. Oh yeah, everything should just be like moved by 0.5 is, I think, all that I need to do. Oh shoot, the camera's gonna be slightly wrong as well. I need to move those too. Because everything's like up half of inch. Honestly, this box should not be at like some fraction of a thing, should it? Yeah, no, that lines up perfectly. I don't know why I had it at some weird number to begin with. In fact, even as far as this goes, like this should be, I don't know, -1. Well, that doesn't matter as much, but -2, I'm guessing. God. Or maybe -2.5. I don't know. This is also like abstract and whatever, because these are debug rooms. Oh, you know what? We should make a... Actually, maybe we could do that. Yeah, we could model like a chest really quick. And even animate it. Ooh, how do I do animations? Oh, you know what? Maybe I won't do that then. I'm sure you can do animations in Blender without using rigging, but I only know how to do it with rigging. And I don't think it's... It doesn't seem right to, like, add bones to a treasure chest, to a storage chest. Call me crazy, but I don't think that's the way to go for that problem. That's the proper fix to that problem. Yeah, actually, you know, now that I'm looking at this, the offset with the bushes and the wood blocks, that will be fixed if we use half steps for the grid size. I can't do that with these debug levels because they are, it will shrink the whole level, not to redo the whole thing. But for other stuff, we can do that. What else is in this room, and do I need to move it? Well, we got... Oh, that's a camera change. I mean, that'll still work, because you don't... Like, you're not jumping in this game, so... They'll still hit the trigger. It's a good day. God damn. You're obsessed. Also, hello, Int. I just broke all my tile maps in the name of fixing them. Or, not tile maps, but... Oh yeah, that's gonna see nothing but bush if I just, if I leave that there. So let's go ahead and bump that up, because it does need to go up anyway. Like I said, just move everything up by 0.5 and we're good to go. It should, in theory, be exactly the same as before, although in this... Oh, that's not the right... Oh, God. I think that's okay, though. That'll be fine. Honestly, up there is probably already high enough, but... Whatever. Just adjusting so everything will be the same. Oh, right. We also have... No. This is not a point light. It's a directional light, so that doesn't need to change. Unless it does? Does this change the lighting if I do this? Oh wait, shoot, I can't see. Is that something you can preview? I don't even know. Whatever, I'm not risking it. We'll just move it. What else is in here? Should that shouldn't be this way. Just have like a raw item point. Oh, I renamed it. No, yeah, they are the correct type of thing. Yeah, and likewise these things, they already were slightly in the air, so now they're just like kind of closer to being on the ground. That's fine. That door is comically not in the right spot now. Yeah, did they really need to have the fucking long-ass... That's not even... Okay, that must be, like, from Super Mario All-Stars, because the fucking... Wait, what did I just do? Oh, shit. Yeah, don't move the actual prefab. Like, that's from Mario 3, isn't it? That last song that was going on, mind-numbingly too long. Oh, that's for debug stuff, so I don't even need that. The cutscene trigger, this thing's the position doesn't matter, I'm pretty sure. Because that's just like a thing running behind the scenes to make the cutscene happen. Now, these things... I think Y position is not worried about, but just in case it is, let's go ahead and update it. Alright. Let's test all of it. Oh yeah, I know those items are totally invisible. Okay, we need to move the items, probably in both of the scenes. We'll just call it 0.25 even. Leave it at that. What else we got going on here? Ammo. That one wasn't even visible. Move that up to 0.5. And then the pistol, likewise. Actually, it's weird that they were at the same Y coordinate, and I could see one but not the other. That might have been an angle thing. I don't know. Oh, we didn't move the cameras in here, or did we? This looks like it's okay. Oh, yeah, no, it is an angle thing. That's with the new doors, I think, is the problem there. I don't know why those aren't centered. That shouldn't be related to the change we made, but what do I know? There it is. Oh, cutscene's over. That debug thing is supposed to disappear. Oh wait, no. That's there so I can see that the player's going to the right spot, right? Because we were having that problem where they were going, like they were veering off slightly to the side and then they never reached the destination, so they wouldn't do the next instruction in the cutscene. Fun times. Oh shoot, you know what else? I guess it's working, but the destination Y position's like probably fucked too on these. And if I skip, it still works, good. You know what, those are probably always like off-centered in that scene, and I just didn't notice it because like there wasn't anything to like line them up against one another. God. There we go. And I believe we fixed all of our scenes. Cool. Let's commit this code. And... I don't know. Oh, this is interesting. The max angle, the like max slope angle property is actually stored in radians. I guess it's not that interesting. I don't know. Whatever. I thought it was interesting. Added a hedge mesh to the GridMap layout. Or what is this called? Mesh library? To the mesh library. Fixed rotation / alignment of all tiles. Alright, push that code. And, yeah. My brain is mush from dealing with all these random problems. So even though we have literally only modeled one thing in this stream where I meant to go make a bunch of models for stuff. Hey, you know what? This is something that I will actually probably use. Oh wait, actually shit, we never fixed the material. Oh, we can do that in, over here. We can totally just do that in Blender, right? Like, that's part of the material properties, I think. Yeah, that's all. That's literally all we have to do. I'm pretty sure is just make the roughness all the way up, then make it metallic. No. Ooh, I'm not gonna fuck with that. We could, in theory, we could mess with the like we get a texture that has like some alpha in it to give it like some depth, but honestly I think that'll just highlight how low poly it is at that point, so having it be this solid chunk is probably better. Cool. Now, once more, for old time's sake, let's break the fucking grid map again. God, I love Tetris Attack. It's such a good game. And there you have it, folks. What even... Oh yeah, that's the phantom hedge that just shows up in every single scene when I, like, re-import something. It didn't swap the stairs and the hedges this time, at least, I guess. That's something to be happy about. Wait, I haven't run the game yet. Maybe it has. Okay, now we're good. Hey, they don't look shiny anymore. Perfect. And it didn't fuck up my tile set. Wait. No. Did that fix it? I'm not so sure. Hold on a second. I don't know if that requires a re-import or not. Well, no, it must have fixed it because it doesn't have like a ghost copy of the model. So like if it's referencing the model, like updating the model should update the material properties. Okay, yeah, we're good. I need like a swinging light to like verify, but I'm pretty sure we're fine here. I mean, hell, I could do it this way, right? Yeah, no, it's definitely been fixed. Actually, hell, I don't even need that. I can do this. Maybe I can do this? Yeah. Well, that's going to be an unfortunately large commit for a tiny change, but whatever. Update hedge material to not be reflected. Okay, committed and pushed. Yeah. Stream is not ending, but I think that is where we're gonna call the game dev portion of tonight. Yeah, no, obviously we didn't do anything crazy impressive in Blender, but I am kind of digging, like, learning like, getting my Blender skills back up. So, probably more modeling stuff to come. And the really cool thing about tonight, I know it doesn't seem like we did a lot overall, but we now understand how to import our own meshes into the GridMap, which is going to be immensely helpful for building out the actual scenes that are going to go into the game. So we're incredibly close to the point where we're going to start actually building real levels that will go into the game. You know what's funny? Someone on YouTube commented at me like, hey, do you know when you might be done with this? And I was like, oh, like, I'm pretty close. I think I'll have a demo out soon, and hopefully we can, like, release it by October. Because it's like one year of development time. At this rate, I think it's realistic to expect a demo out by October, but I don't think we'll be done with it by then. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna be going on a vacation later on in the year, and I think I may coerce my friends to help me shoot some live-action cutscenes for the game, because I would love to put that in. The only caveat with that is that, like, if we're shooting live-action cutscenes, unless they're about completely, like, inconsequential characters, like, I then also need to model, like, ourselves, or whoever's going to be in the scenes that we shoot, to be characters in the game. Which I'm fine with doing, but, like... I don't know. Anyway. That being said, y'all, that's it for the game dev portion of tonight. If you guys don't want to watch me play games, that's totally fine. No worries whatsoever. But yeah, we're gonna switch gears here and play some games. I was gonna say GG's, but I don't know. Yeah, GG's on the process of game development.